70% of the earth is water, yet only 3% is clean and sought after. Rest is polluted or dangerous, 'cause waste we throw is hazardous. Follow rules of a clean environment. Shorter showers, wastewater for gardens, are par for the moment.
Get up now, it's time for a change right now. Get up now, 'cause it's time for a change right now.
Switch off fans, heaters and lights. Make the planet safe for more nights. Save gas, turn off the car at the signal. Drive steady with the brakes makes a good symbol. Scarce resources, though population's growing. Use them wisely to see the world glowing. Renewable resources can quickly be replaced, while non-renewable resources can quickly be erased.
When we'll be around 40 years, we need 3 planets. I've been told, but we don't have another one. This beautiful planet is our only one. 1/3 of the world's food is wasted, so don't take too much of it if you haven't tasted.
Maybe it's how we work. People save while we laze around and waste our precious dreams. People cry to survive, but we turn up the night.
Hey, I vow not to shout today. I vow that I'm not afraid. I won't fall to the doubt today, 'cause I see value in everything. This world is a crazy place. We race daily, running at a crazy pace. We gotta pump the brakes before we suffocate, because we can't get fresh air from outer space.
So let's tap into sunlight and use solar energy. Harness the wind to save this century. Water we save can generate electricity. Animal waste can fuel our cars. So be responsible as we travel this course. Ensure we produce with sustainable resource.